Good evening. This is the Florida Weather Guys Thursday's forecast for the West Coast and the Tampa Bay regional weather. I'm your forecaster, Jeffrey A. Gentry. And now we're going to get right into the forecast. We're going to look at the national map for the United States. We're going to look at the local west coast of Florida, the overnight lows and the highs and the rain chances and the outlooks for 6 to 16 day outlook for our temperatures around the Pinellas County regional weather area as well. And like I said, we got snow in the upper Midwest from Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, Kentucky, West Virginia, and there's some heavy snow in West Virginia in the mountains, and Pennsylvania in the mountains, in the north and east in the mountains. New York, all mixed precipitation. We got heavy snows in Oregon and Idaho, and Washington with mixed with rain and snow, flash flooding and heavy rains in California. With the rest of our states, another low pressure moving south from the Midwest, and we got high pressure along the rest of the states. This is our current radar and satellite, and it looks like we have a little bit of shower right about there, and all the front has pushed from the north and west down to the south and east. And here's the front right in here. As you can see, the cirrus clouds as the front has moved further and south of the Tampa Bay regional weather area in the Pinellas County. This is our forecast. This is our forecast lows. Well, this is the high temperatures for tomorrow. So I got them reversed. So this is our high temperatures for the West Coast tomorrow. And the temperatures are not going to be that much difference. We'll see here that in a second. I just got these two slides flipped. So overall, we got lower 70s around Punta Gorda, Arcadia, Okeechobee, Bill Grande, and Fort Myers. These are in the upper 60 to lower 70s, upper 60s around the coast, upper 60s to mid 60s, and to some lower 60s north around Gainesville, Chiefland, Ocala. This is our forecast for tonight. And this is our Tampa Bay West Coast regional weather from 47 to Chiefland. Brooksville, you're coming at 52. Crystal at 50. Tampa and Pinellas County, you're going to be warmer because you'll be closer to the water. Same with Sarasota. We'll say upper 50s. Lakeland, you're at 55. Sebring 59, and Fort Myers, you're still coming at 63 degrees, and no chances of rain for the West Coast tonight. This is our actual high temperatures for Thursday. Like I said, 60s and lower 70s to upper 60s across the board. This is our actual, that was tonight's forecast. This is our actual high. So like I said, it really, let's move this back here for a second. Really, it did not change very much from the overnight lows to the daytime highs on Thursday. Chiefland at 65, Burkesville 66, 68 in Lakeland, Arcadia at 70, Fort Myers 72, and no chances of rain tomorrow. This is our rainfall outlook for tomorrow. This is the only part that we see. Rest of us is all clear for tomorrow for rain. So not very much rain. And speaking of not much rain, no measurable rain for at least the next 16 days. Computer models are showing no rain at all. So we're going into our dry season. So with that being said, just be careful. Any outdoor activities like burning wood or any trash or anything like that, just be extremely careful. Now this is our 6 to 16 outlook, and this is just for mainly for Tampa area in my weather office area. This is the Euro for the next 6 days. Starting out tomorrow, 72, and then Friday, look, we'll go down to 66 degrees, and even cooler on Saturday at 64, and then, as you can see, we're gradually warming back up. Then we're going to top out by next Tuesday, 76 degrees, Thanksgiving week. So 69 up to 75, 76. The overnight lows looks like Saturday morning, Friday night going into Saturday morning, looks like it's going to be our coolest according to the Euro model. And then we're going to slowly warm back up into the mid 50s at night. Now let's take a look over here real quick, and let's move this out of the way. And let's look, see what the GFS shows. So the GFS is showing 75 and the Euro showing 72. So to get from 72 to 75, we'll take an average. So we'll split that right down the middle. So we'll say between 73 and 74 tomorrow. And they're showing 63 for Thursday night, and they're showing 57. So we'll see who's closer to the temperature wise. And they're same temperature for Friday, so they're both calling for 66. So mid 60s would be for Friday. 64, 65, that's about same, almost an agreement. The only difference is they're calling for 47 and they're calling for 60. So that's a big difference. So this might not be taken consideration because it's it might not be taken consideration because this is because we're closer to the water, and the water temperatures are lower, always in the wintertime are going to be a little bit warmer because the waters are usually a little bit warmer. So this is not taken into consideration for that. But it looks like overall the temperatures agree. This going on past to 16 days. So let's move this out of the way so we can see what we got going on. Leading up to Thanksgiving week, so we're looking like up in the mid to upper 70s. So we may top out right at average for this time of year. And I think average is 78, 77. So it looks like we're going to be about average. And then we're going to fall down a little bit and then go back up. into the first week of December. This has been your Florida weather guy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Have a great evening. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. If you have any additional comments or concerns, just type them in the comment section. Have a great evening, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.